Hello, welcome to Smart Web Solutions. In today's tutorial, I'll be guiding you on how to upload your website files and database on an add-on directory. An add-on is a domain name that is added on your hosting control panel using or sharing the resources of your hosting. So it is a registered domain name, but sharing the hosting resources with your main domain name. So let's get started. And before we do that, if you have seen this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe, like our page, and hit on the notification bell so that you get to be notified as we upload new videos. So first thing first is you ensure you have your login credentials, then log into your control panel. Once you are in the login interface, then go to add the domain or add domain as an add-on. So you go to the domain segment, then click on domain and ensure your domain name is pointing to the same name server of your host. So if your hosting is your domain name is not pointing to the same host name server, then the domain name cannot be added as an add-on. So once the domain name is pointed and then added as an add-on, like this domain name which I have is already added as an add-on, or if it's not added, then you click on this create a new domain name. So if you are creating the new domain name, you enter the new domain name which you want to add as an add-on, and then do not check on this box. Do not check on share document root. If you are sharing document root, it means you are sharing the same website files with the add-on domain name, the primary website files with the add-on domain name. So you do not check on this box and then leave it unchecked. If it's checked already, then uncheck it and then click on submit. So once you click on submit, the domain name is going to be created and you have your domain name added as an add-on. So you go to the domain name and then go to the directory where the domain name reside. So the domain name, add-on domain name, will have its own directory. So the directory of the add-on domain name is where you're uploading the content, and you can get the directory directly from the add-on segment. This directory here, once you just click on this directory, it will take you to the add-on segment, or you can do that from the file manager. You go to the file manager, open the file manager, and then select the add-on domain name. This is the add-on domain name I have. So double click on the folder to have access to the root directory or to the directory of the add-on domain name. So next is to upload your website files. So you click on this upload and then select the files for the add-on domain name. So you select the files. Once you have the files ready, and then you upload the files. And if the files are uploaded, you have the notification that the website files are uploaded successfully. So you have successful notification. Then next you click on back if what you uploaded is a zip content, so ensure you extract it. So once the content is being extracted, then you can go and upload or import your database. So you go to the file manager. After then go to file not file manager, database. Go to phpMyAdmin. So in the phpMyAdmin, select the database for that particular add-on. You have the database for the add-on domain, so you just locate the database and then import the database credentials. So you click on import here and then select the database for this user. So you click on choose file. It will take you to your directory and ensure the extension is .sql. If it's not .sql, then you cannot import the database. So you click on import, and once you select the file, then you scroll down and then click on this import. Once you click on import, you will receive a confirmation after a while, depending on the size of the database you import. So once it's been uploaded, you will receive a confirmation message that the database has been uploaded successfully. So next is to synchronize the database credential. And in synchronizing the database credential, you are going to synchronize both database name, user, and password on config file and on the database. So you go to the database and you go to configuration file. So you locate the configuration file on your directory. You have a configuration file after your installation, like the WordPress. If it's a WordPress, so you go to the configuration file. If it's not a WordPress, you design it offline maybe, so you have your database configuration file. So you go to the configuration file and ensure the details you have on the configuration file is the same details you have on database, that is my database. So once the database credential has been synchronized, then you save your changes and then your website will be loading online. And that is it for today's edition. If you have any question, please don't forget to drop it on the comment section, and if you're visiting the channel for the first time, kindly subscribe, like our page, and hit on the notification bell so that you get to be notified as we upload new videos. Thank you, and see you some other time with another exciting episode on Smart Web Solution.